This is the Xsense smoke and carbon monoxide detector with a 10-year battery life. Now you get the instruction booklet, and it gives you all the information that you need. Not that you need much information for installing it because it's battery operated. You put the mount up with the included wall plugs and screws. Attach this to the mount and away you go. Now I don't even have to put the mount up because this one is replacing the one I have in my attic, which was mounted so far up that you'd have to use a ladder to get in there and change the batteries. So the fact that this is a 10-year one is perfect, which means I don't have to worry about getting up on a ladder anytime soon to change the batteries on it. So it comes preloaded with batteries, and I'm going to hit the test button so you can see what you get. You don't get, it doesn't say fire or what have you. It gives you two set series of beeps, 3 long beeps, and then I think 4 sets of shorter ones. But this may be real loud, so you might want to turn it down a bit. So there's your indication it's in test mode. I think that's it. So that is your test mode. So every now and again you press that and make sure that it's still working. If you've got this, say, in your kitchen and you set it off with your cooking or whatever, this is the test and the silence button. So you just hit that button to shut it off if it was accidentally triggered. So that's the Xsense smoke and carbon monoxide detector with a 10-year battery.